video, we're just going to have a look at a class called the body class, and what that allows us to do is to add custom elements into the body class for the post or a page, or in this case a product. So what we've basically said here is that we must get the classes variable or array from WordPress. Then what we must do is add the product terms, which would be the product categories, include that term slug, and then return the list of classes, but now including the term slug. So the way we do that is we first identify that this is a product page. We then get the global post variable, which includes all the post information. From that, then we say get the terms, and get the terms by the post ID. That would be of the current post, and the terms that we want would be product categories. So in this case, we would say product cat. Then we say for each of these terms as a single term, get the term slug. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add this information to the classes array, and that's why we have these two square brackets at the end, which means that this is now an array and we are adding information to the classes array. So the classes array information comes into the website. We're now going to add the terms, and the reason why we go through for each term as a single term is because we only want the slug, which is the reference to that term, which is unique. And once we have that information, then we use the return function then to return the classes back to WordPress. WordPress will then include the information that we've asked it to include here and output that to the page. So to show you what I mean, I'm going to head over here to the Polo page, and you'll see if I refresh the Polo page, we have just a standard looking page in WordPress. And if I head over to the body class, there's no reference in here to the t-shirt, which is the category that this product is in. Now I've restyled this page to display in a 3-column layout, and those styles only apply to products where the product category t-shirt is included in the body. So I'm going to head back here, I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to activate that, and now when I go back to the website and I refresh, you'll see now that I have this 3-column layout. And if I have a look here in the classes for the page, I now have this t-shirt class included in the classes for the page for this particular product. That basically means now that the styles I've written use t-shirt as a class. So if I go into my website and I look at, for example, the beanie page, the layout is completely different. If I look at the album page, that will also be completely different. Well, that's how you can then include a class in the body tag of your page when it comes to products. I hope you found that interesting. The code is in the first comment below. Thank you for watching.